Alright, got that one in and landed and didn't tear up any aircraft in the meantime. So, good landing. Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to our Johnstown, Pennsylvania RC Club. We fly airplanes, helicopters, quads, and drones, and maybe even on occasion a race quad and some obstacle courses. Now we have some toys and we're proud of them and we're serious about them too. Now some of us build models from scratch and then others from kits. We even do some of those flight test models, and that's a great training experience. Now we all start from the basics and then we learn and we grow. Now we are a member club of the National Academy of Model Aeronautics, known as the AMA, and we're in District 3 and we are club number 718. See links to these in the description below. Now on this channel we will post videos and pictures of our activities. We are celebrating our 60th anniversary this year in 2022 and 45 years at our airfield. Wow, that's a long time. And we have grown to become a leader club of the Academy of Model Aeronautics. Now we were the AMA Club of the Month for April of 2022. See the links below for more information on that. Now at our club we promote a family-friendly environment and a lot of fun. We have members who are happy to help you to learn how to fly and to learn some aerobatics. See our website at the link below to see our activities, links, fun times. Come see us when you are in the area. In summertime, we often fly at all times of the day, morning, afternoon, and evenings. And that can also depend on the weather. On Sundays, we have picnics, and somebody brings hot dogs, and others bring a dish to share. And we have a great time, we fly, and we exchange a lot of tips and tricks. Now, on the last Sunday of the month, we have a family picnic. Spouses, significant others, and children and friends are all welcome to come. In the fall, we have a final get-together with contests and fun activities, such as who can land closest to the bullseye on the target on the airfield. That's marked out in chalk like they do with baseball fields, except our target is circular and with the bullseye in the middle. Then we have Air Demolition Derby. We try to crash into each other with old beater airplanes, and the last one flying wins. And we have some more fun and activities. We have a lot of fun and activities. Also, be sure to check out our website for more information at the link in the description below. So come check us out and fly with us and have some fun. Now, as I keep saying, remember to look at that description below for a lot of additional information and links. Thank you.